One emergency in Saudi Arabia can cost you over $4,000 in just one night, and many visitors don't have proper coverage. This mistake can destroy your entire trip. Saudi Arabia is a major destination for tourists and pilgrims. Millions visit every year for Umrah and work. But medical risks are often ignored. Most visitors think healthcare is free. They assume treatment is easy. This is not true for tourists. Healthcare in Saudi Arabia is advanced. Private hospitals are modern and well-equipped, but they are expensive. A simple doctor visit can cost $80 to $200. Emergency treatment can go above $1,500. Costs increase quickly. Hospital stays can cost thousands. ICU charges are even higher. Bills rise very fast. Many travelers ignore travel insurance. They think it is optional. This can lead to serious financial problems. Cheap insurance plans are risky. They offer limited coverage. Serious cases are not covered. Pre-existing conditions are usually excluded. Many people don't know this. Claims often get rejected. Ambulance services are expensive. Even short trips cost money. Many policies do not include it. Emergency evacuation is very costly. Air ambulance costs can be extremely high. Good insurance covers this. Cashless treatment is very important. It allows direct hospital billing. This reduces stress. Without cashless service, you pay first. Then, claim reimbursement. This process takes time. Claim process should be simple. Complex claims create problems. Choose reliable providers. 24/7 support is essential. Emergencies can happen anytime. Immediate help is critical. Network hospitals make treatment easier. You get faster service. Always check before buying. Travel delays can create extra costs. Flights may be delayed. Insurance helps manage expenses. Baggage loss is another issue. Valuable items can be lost. Good insurance protects you. A pilgrim in Makkah suddenly felt severe chest pain. He was rushed to a private hospital. Doctors performed emergency tests. He stayed overnight for observation. The total bill reached $4,000. He was shocked by the cost. His insurance coverage was very limited. It only covered part of the expenses. He paid the rest himself. This situation happens often. Many visitors face similar problems. Poor planning is the reason. Choosing the right insurance is very important. Do not focus only on price. Focus on coverage. Always read the policy carefully. Hidden terms affect claims. Awareness is key. Check exclusions before buying. This helps avoid surprises. It improves your decision. Family travelers must be careful. Medical risks affect everyone. Protection is necessary. Senior travelers need better plans. Their health risk is higher. Basic plans are not enough. Umrah travelers must be extra careful. Medical emergencies can happen anytime. Insurance is essential. Travel insurance gives peace of mind. It protects your finances. It ensures safe travel. Saudi Arabia is a great destination, but private healthcare is expensive. Insurance is your safety net. Smart travelers prepare in advance. They avoid financial risk. They stay protected. Travel insurance is not an expense. It is an investment. It saves you from big losses. Many travelers regret ignoring insurance. They face problems later. Learn from others. One mistake can cost you thousands. Do not ignore insurance. Make smart decisions. Always choose reliable insurance providers. This ensures smooth claims. It saves time. Remember this simple rule. Cheap insurance becomes expensive later. Always choose wisely.